Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 13, multiplication as repeated addition and adding and subtracting dollars and cents. So here I have 5 rows of desks and 6 desks in each row. How many desks are there in all? So there are multiple ways I can solve this. I could count the desks one at a time. So 1, 2, 3, that would take a long time. The second way is I can count the desks in one row and then count the number of rows. So I have 5 rows and there are 6 desks in each row. So I can do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay. The third way is I can multiply. Okay. So if I need to find the same number over and over, we say that we multiply. Okay. So to find the sum of 5 sixths, I would do 5 times 6. I could also do 6 times 5. I can do it in either order. Okay, the X stands for a multiplication symbol or a times symbol. So we say 5 times 6. Okay, multiplication is a way to repeatedly add the same number multiple times. Okay. So we know that 5 times 6 is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which equals 30. Okay, and then 6 times 5 would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And that also equals 30. So I can multiply my numbers in either order and still get the same answer. Okay, so let's change this addition problem to a multiplication problem. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So I know that I see 4 7s added together. So I would write 4 times 7. I could also say 7 times 4. Either way is correct. Okay. So the second part is to add and subtract dollars and cents. When I wanted to add or subtract dollars and cents, I align the decimal point. Okay, so let's start with this one on A. So I have $3.45 plus $6.23. See how I'm lining up that decimal point? Okay, and then 50 cents. Okay. So make sure that your place values are lined up, the pennies, the dimes, and your dollar bills. Okay, now I can add these together. And then I add like I normally would. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 5 is 11. And I carry the 1 over. My decimal point comes straight down. And then I have 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 6 is 10. So my answer is $10.18. Okay. All right, for the second problem, it's a subtraction problem. Again, I'm going to line up my decimal points. So I have $4.50 minus $3.80. Okay. All right, so 0 minus 0 is 0. I don't have enough dimes, so I'm going to borrow $1 and turn it into 10 dimes. So now I have 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then I'm going to drop the decimal straight down, and I do 3 minus 3 is 0. So my answer to this problem is 70 cents. Okay. The 0 to the left of the decimal shows me that I don't have any dollar bills. All right. Now, a number of dollars can be written with or without a decimal point. So, $5 is the same this way as it is with a decimal point. Okay. When adding and subtracting dollars and cents, it's a good idea to write this version with your zeros for the cents. That way we can subtract or add. So let's look. So this says the amounts below represent the cost of 4 field trip souvenirs. So we have $5, $8.75, $10, and 35 cents. And it wants to know the total cost. So I'm going to have to add these together. So we're going to do $5, and I'm going to add the decimal and 2 zeros. $8.75, $10, and I'm going to add the decimal and 2 zeros, and then 35 cents. Okay, scoot this up a little bit. All right, so we have 5 plus 5 is 10, carry my 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 3 is 11, carry my 1. Decimal comes straight down. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 8 is 14, carry my 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So my answer is $24.10. Okay, let's practice with subtraction. Jana brought a $5 bill to school to pay for lunch. What amount would Jana have left after paying for lunch that cost $3.25? So we're going to take the $5 and write it with my decimal point and 2 zeros. Then I'm going to subtract $3.25. Okay. All right, so I can't take 5 from 0, so I'm going to have to borrow $1 bill and turn it into 10 dimes. Then I'll borrow a dime and turn it into 10 pennies. All right, 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Decimal comes straight down. 4 minus 3 is 1. So Jana will have $1.75 left over after buying lunch. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.